In this video, we're going to look at using the save copy in command in Pro Tools. In previous videos, we've looked at the save and save as commands, which will only save a copy of the Pro Tools session file. The save copy in command can be used to save the session file and all related files, and can also be used to change session parameters like sample rate, bit depth, and file type. To use save copy in, simply go to the File menu and choose Save Copy In. This will bring up the Save Session Copy dialog. Here you can choose the session format, including legacy formats like Pro Tools 7, Pro Tools 5.1, and so on. You can also make changes to the session's parameters, like changing the audio file type between WAV file, AIFF, and Sound Designer 2, changing the sample rate to anything from 44.1 kHz all the way up to 192 kHz, and changing the bit depth between 16-bit, 24-bit, and 32-bit floating point. If you're just looking to make a backup of your session in the current format with the same session parameters, you can leave these settings at their defaults and simply click Audio Files in the Items to Copy section. This will save a copy of the session to your selected destination, as well as placing all of your audio files into a single audio files folder, regardless of where they currently reside on your system. There are several other options in Items to Copy, including converting to the specified format, not copying rendered elastic audio files, whether you want to copy the main playlist only and exclude alternate playlists, whether you want to copy selected tracks only, whether to copy the session plugin settings folder, the root plugin settings folder, associated movie or video files. If you choose the Preserve Folder Hierarchy option, the relative arrangement of session audio files located across multiple volumes is maintained. If this option is not selected, all of your files will be copied to a single destination folder. Generally, you won't want to select this option when you're just making a backup of your session. If you choose a legacy session format of 5.1 or older, you'll also have the option of setting the fader gain to either plus 12 dB or plus 6 dB, and enabling the Enforce Mac PC Compatibility option. This will ensure that you can open the session on both Mac and Windows Pro Tools systems. Then you'll simply click OK, and Pro Tools will ask you to name the copy and give it a destination. Then I can click Save, and I'll get a lovely list of all the information that will be lost when I go to the legacy format. Then to continue, we'll click the Yes button. And then you can watch the progress bar as Pro Tools copies over all of the session files. Then if we go look at the session folder on the desktop, we can see the session in the older format as well as a new audio files folder. And now you're ready to move this session to a legacy Pro Tools system.